BNS aligns closely with the IPC in addressing offences related to miscarriage, child abandonment, and concealment of birth. Section 88, BNS 312, IPC, causing miscarriage or CM. Section 89, BNS 313, IPC, causing miscarriage without consent or CM. CHM, CHA. Section 90, BNS 314, IPC, causing death during abortion attempt or deputy CM. Section 91, BNS 315, IPC, Jaha, Punah. Section 315 deals with the act of intentionally preventing a child from being born alive or causing it to die after birth. Section 92, BNS 316, IPC, causing death of a quick unborn child. Section 93, BNS 317, IPC, abandonment of a child under 12 years. Section 94, BNS 318, IPC, concealment of birth by secret disposal of a dead body. Case laws, Suchita Srivastava and another versus Chandigarh Administration, 2009, court permitted abortion for a mentally retarded woman in her best interests. Second case, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, Raid, versus Union of India, 2017, recognized privacy as a fundamental right, including reproductive autonomy. And third case law is based on the essence of time in medical termination of pregnancy. In XYZ v. Union of India, 2023, reiterated progressive abortion laws and access for all women, including unmarried women. Point. Before the Medical Termination of Pregnancy, MTP, Act, 1971, abortion laws in India were governed by the Indian Penal Code, IPC, 1860. Sections 312 to 318 of the IPC criminalized causing a miscarriage. Now, these provisions are addressed in sections 86 to 90 of the Nyaya Sanhita, 2023. Section 86 of the Nyaya Sanhita states that anyone who intentionally causes a woman to miscarry can be punished. This also includes cases where a pregnant woman opts for an abortion. The only exception is when the miscarriage is done in good faith to save the woman's life. Before such exceptions were introduced, these strict laws often forced women to undergo unsafe and unregulated abortions, leading to high maternal health risks and even death.